Hello everyone, my name is Manasa and I'm doing this internship, and this week we have faced the problems in our QA environment. So what's happening is there is an app that we are trying to use it, which is called as like a ARIA testing system, which is a third party app that we use for the billing and subscription. That is where the main testing that I do. So what's happening is in the local it is working fine, but when it is coming to a QA environment, finally it is not like started like working. We don't know what is the reason behind it. That is where we started having struggles for this problem, and like it took us like a lot of time to find where the bug is and why it is indirectly affecting the testing system, and we have to put like more effort on finding the bug issue, and finally we were able to fix it. But if I have to provide one challenge this week, and which are the stakeholders that has affected and what are my actions and the response. So in the app, the feature that we are working on, we have differentiated what is happening and what is like working and what is like not working, and we highlighted the conflict that we have to work on this week, and we tried to do a new approach. So which had we had a similar version in the GitHub also, and we are trying to replicate the new environment so that the bug can be fixed locally. And we want to test it first like locally, how it is performing in the local system, and then we want to do a like small deployment in the QA environment system, and we want to see how efficient it is and how adaptable it is to the local environment, to the QA environment, so that moving onwards we should not get any issues in the production environment. So we did a small delay and we tried to test out like a different programs, how they're like, how the approach is and what is the best and the safe approach. And to explain you what worked and what did not work, what we did is we have differentiated between two existing objects, and we got a build ready for a local. And to downsize the issue, we have taken the feature which is like working properly, and the deployment issue was taken like locally, and we tested it out. And the testing approach was, instead of like debugging everything, we have taken the log errors from where the issue was there, and when we were trying to find out the errors in the log, that is where we came to know where the issues is, and we were able to fix it like ideally. And we have downgraded the latest version, that is where the fix was working. And right now we are testing it out in the local testing system, and we are thoroughly doing a regression testing so that it should be working fine as of now. And we are testing like 2 more features that has to be in the next version, so that how it is going to react to a local. And what would I do the different next time and why? Like, instead of like regularly debugging in the local, when we have a error occurred, what we do is like we take out the logs, the error logs, and we try to find a bug in that, like what is the bug that we have find out, and why it is making such a difference between a local environment and the QA environment, and what are the actions that we have to take in. And this logs issue and what are the errors that we have found in these logs have helped us to recognize the issue and fix it before the timeline of the production. So basically, instead of debugging the whole application and the features, only debugging the errors in the logs has helped me out to recognize what is the issue. And it helped even the developers to make sure that, you know, from the next time, if something is not working, we can do a approach of log errors. Thank you. Have a nice day.